Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious coconut shrimp. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, peeled, and deveined shrimp, with the tails left on for easy handling. We'll also use unsweetened shredded coconut, all-purpose flour, and panko breadcrumbs for that perfect crispy coating. Don't forget a couple of eggs and a small amount of granulated sugar to enhance the flavor, plus your favorite frying oil. Now let's perfect that irresistible coating. Set up a 3-station breading assembly line, 1 bowl for flour, another for whisked eggs, and a third for your shredded coconut mixed with panko breadcrumbs and a pinch of sugar. First, dredge each shrimp in the flour, shaking off any excess. Next, dip it into the egg wash, letting any extra drip off. Finally, press the shrimp firmly into the coconut panko mixture, ensuring a thick, even crust all around. It's time to fry these beauties to golden perfection. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable or canola oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Fry the shrimp in small batches, about 5 to 6 at a time, to avoid overcrowding the pan and dropping the oil temperature. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. Your delicious coconut shrimp are ready. For the best taste and texture, serve them immediately while they're still warm and crispy. A sweet chili dipping sauce is a classic and highly recommended accompaniment that perfectly complements the shrimp's flavor. You can also garnish them with fresh lime wedges or a sprinkle of chopped cilantro for an extra touch of zest and beautiful presentation. Enjoy this delightful appetizer or main course with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.